We'll guide you through how to connect Claude to Blender. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Now we're handing over the video to Pauser, who's going to continue with the guide.
Before we begin, make sure you already have Claude desktop app installed on your computer along with the latest version of Blender. Open the Claude desktop application and at the top left, just go ahead and toggle on sidebar by just clicking on this icon, and here just click on customize. Here click on connect your apps. So here just search for Blender and then click on the plus icon for Blender and choose to install it. Now just click on install and just wait for the installation to complete. And while the installation is happening, you will see an add-on is required to use the MCP server. Please use the following instruction. Just go ahead and click on it, and now your default browser will open, and now you will see add-on. Just click on the download for add-on, and now your zip file will be successfully downloaded. So here you can just go ahead and show in folder to open the folder where it is downloaded. In my case, it's in download. So now back to Claude, you can see it is successfully installed, and also make sure to toggle it on. After that, just go ahead and open your Blender and go to the edit at the top, and here click on preferences. Now go to add-ons and just click on the drop down and choose to install from disk, and here just navigate to the folder where you have downloaded. In my case, it was downloads. So here just go ahead and select your file that we downloaded earlier, which in my case it's going to be this particular file. So I'll just select it and click on install from disk, and now you should see MCP and make sure it is toggled on. And that's basically it. Claude is now connected to Blender. You can return to Claude desktop app and start giving it prompt. So I'm just gonna go ahead and test it. And now as you can see, I asked it to create me a simple tree in Blender. So now let's verify it. And that's it.